In this video, I will be showing you how to reset WhatsApp encrypted password. Now, all you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp application, click the three dots, and then go to chats. So here, let me show you first how to create an encrypted password. All you have to do is to click backup, click this end-to-end encrypted backup, and turn this one on. And think of a password that's unique. Let's just say this is my password, and then after that, click next to confirm. Now, the problem is if you forgot your encrypted password, how are you going to reset that? That's a problem here. So all you have to do now is to just turn it off. If you're currently using your WhatsApp account, just go to your settings again, go to chats, and then go to chat backup, and then click this end-to-end encrypted backup and turn it off. And then just click I forget my password and wait for further instructions. The second thing is just go to Google web browser and then kind of tap WhatsApp here. So whatsapp.com, and then scroll down and click the first one here. Once you click this one, scroll down again and look for contact us. And I think you can find it to the very bottom. Okay, scroll to the very bottom, and then here it is. Now click contact us and click this contact us again under WhatsApp Messenger support. So once you click this one, it will take you directly into another site where you need to fill out some information like your phone number, your email address, and you need to confirm again your email address. And then you can type your specific concern here. So please enter your message. For example, hi, I just wanted to ask for a help. I forgot my encrypted password. Please email me at example@gmail.com. And to make sure, you can just add your phone number or any of your social media platforms so that they can reach you. Once done, click next step. Now wait for any confirmation or any response from the customer service team. They will send you a message to your email address, and you just have to follow the instruction in order for you to reset your WhatsApp encrypted password. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next videos.